Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. I am doing a Dollar Tree DIY and it is going to be on these lantern lights. Y'all know I'm still getting my backyard together. It's almost ready for the reveal and I'm so excited. This is going to be the lighting in the backyard. It's going to go along the fence and in some other areas. So I'm going to show you what we're going to use. I'm going to use this decorative nautical rope, and you get that at Dollar Tree too. All of these containers were gotten at Dollar Tree, and the rope. And then you're going to use the Dollar Tree lights. In the craft aisle, pick up some of these marbles. I got them in green because the theme of the backyard is like green and blue. It'll be a little bit of pink too, but it's mostly blue and green, kind of like sea colors. And then I have some crystal clear ones. I also have some sea glass, and those are in the colors that my backyard theme is in, so that worked out perfect. So that's what that's called. Hope you can see that. And then I also have some blue ones. I also have them in blue, different shades of blue. So it's going to make for very pretty lighting in the back. Also, you guys, I have two of these little candle holders, and they are so pretty. It's in blue and like a goldish color. And I'm going to put these LED tea light candles in them. And I'm hoping that they will flicker a little bit. Let's see what this looks like. So you want to pull this little tab out. Turn the switch on, and we're gonna, oh, that is cute. That is too cute. So I have that. I don't know, see if I can find a couple more in that color. That is so pretty. But I think I'm gonna have that on the table up under the tent. So I'm gonna scoot this out of the way. That's one little thing going there. Too cute. Okay, on to the main project. I'm going to turn these little lanterns around. These are the little lanterns from Dollar Tree. They have a little handle on them. These are super cute. Love those. And what you want to do is choose which colors you want in which glasses. So I think in here I'm going to have blue down at the bottom. So you just want to cut open your marbles, and I'm going to do that off camera real quick. Okay, so I'm going to put some of the darker blue down at the bottom. I'm going to turn it sideways so it doesn't, ooh, I didn't want it to crash to the bottom and be so loud. I'm going to try to make layers. I think that's enough in that one. And I'm going to put the clear on next. And these stones are somewhat flat. I'm just going to put some of those in there. Whew, that's loud. Okay. I gotta do that. And I'm going to do a little bit of green. And what I'm going to do now is add a little bit of the sea glass in there. That is so pretty. I want to get some blue on every side. Do that there. And I'm trying to get a white one right there. Okay. So now I'm going to take the stem off of the solar lights. Just like that, you just pull it off. And now I'm going to pull the little tab. And as you saw, the light came on, but I think it has to charge up like in the daytime so it can come on at night. That's usually how it works. So what I'm going to do, because this fits, I would have put this in first, but this fits right around the rim of the glass. So you have to put the marbles in first. So you just want to kind of shimmy it down in there, and you have to kind of pick it up and shake these around. And there you go. So this is going to charge up. I'm going to put these out, and then they're going to charge up during the day. And at night, you'll see green, blue, and clear little white crystals all around the yard. So I will show this to you guys in a second. I'm going to fill up these other jars. So I think it almost doesn't matter what I put in here. I can't layer it really because I have to turn it upside down and shake it. So it's not going to look like it's in layers. So what I'm going to do is just put the marbles in. I would really like the clear ones to be on the bottom in this blue jar. So I'm going to play around with it and I'll come back. And what I did was only filled it up about halfway in this jar. And by the time I put the light in the top and shook it around, it came up kind of close to the top. So that's good enough. Just fill it about halfway and then stick your light in, shake it up, and it's going to fill up a little bit closer to the top. And that'll be good enough for your lighting. Okay, just finished up the last one. And look at that. That is so pretty. Imagine how that's going to look at nighttime. Oh my goodness. So now I'm going to finish this up with some nautical rope around the top, and I'll show you how to do that. So you're going to take your rope and just measure it around like this until it meets, and then you're going to cut it right where it meets and glue it on. You may need to use a like a knife cutter or something like that, just something really sharp. I'm going to have to get something else because these are too dull. Okay, so I just opened up my bypass pruning shears actually for my garden. I'm going to use these. Or you can use wire cutters or just something sharp because this is a thick rope. And so you just want to cut that. Oh, wow. Cutting pretty good. And there we go. So I'm going to take the hot glue gun and start right in the front. And I like to, because hot glue, it firms up really quick. So I'm going to start it and then I'm going to glue as I go around. And you want to put even some glue right on the other side of that rope, right at the end of the other rope rather, and push it together. Oh, I need to use my finger protectors. Let me run and get those. Let's see how it met right in the middle, and I'm going to put an accent piece right there. Hold on just a second. Okay, so I want to use a piece of this rock, but this is the last little bag I have left. You can use whatever you want on there. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. I think I'm probably going to use it anyway. I was trying to save these for something on my table, but let's see. Let's see if I can find something else that works. Could use that. It just doesn't look as pretty to me. Doesn't stand out as much, but you could use that. Also, guys, the easiest way is to just measure each piece out ahead of time. Just measure them out the same length because they're all the same size. Also, if you can't find the nautical rope, you can use something else, some cute little twine or rope or whatever. This would have looked cute as well. And it comes on a spool. I did not get this at Dollar Tree. You may find this at like Home Depot or Walmart or something like that. One more thing, guys, you can even use E6000 if you want to. I like to use this in a well-ventilated area. I'm in the back where my windows can open up. I'm back in the pool room. So you can do this outside. That's the best way to do it, or either inside in a room that has good ventilation. I see a lot of people using this and seems just a little bit useless with it. It's just be very safe with this. Don't get it on your hands, on your fingers, and different things like that. Be in a well ventilated area. And if you like me, use your glue gun for a lot of projects. It is very handy to buy these little finger protectors. You can buy them at Dollar Tree, and I did buy some last week, and I cannot find the bag that they are in. So these are the ones I got from Amazon. I did an Amazon haul, and I got these from Amazon, $6.99 for 12. And at the Dollar Tree, they are 3 in a pack for $1. I think it's called Crafty Corner or something like that down the craft aisle. And a lot of the Dollar Trees have the finger protectors there. On Amazon, they come in 3 different sizes per color. They have 2 sets of blue and 2 sets of red, and in each set they have 3 different finger protectors. 3 different finger protectors, 1 for each finger. You can put them on whichever fingers you use most. And just press around as you go. And they are finished, you guys. I have all 4 done. So I have the clear jar there, the blue, clear blue. And as you see, I did go ahead and put the sea glass on there as an accent, and they look so pretty. You can get fancy and even stick maybe just a couple of appropriate flowers up out of the back, because there's a little room for stem back there, or some greenery or something. But use your imagination. I think this is good enough. I get a little extra sometime and I start doing stuff, so I might stick some flowers in one of them just to see what they look like. But I'm going to show you what they look like outside in the dark, so come along. Hey guys, so I'm outside and this is what it looks like all lit up at nighttime. I have the flash on the camera, so I'm going to go ahead and turn the flash off, and I'm going to show you what it looks like in the dark. Hold on. Here it is. That is so pretty. That's going to look so pretty in the yard, spaced around in the yard. So I'll give you a few view of these, what they look like in the yard once we get the backyard all finished. And right now, this is the clear jar right here. This is the clear mason jar, or the clear lantern rather. And I'm going to show you the blue one next. And here's the blue lantern. That one looks so pretty too. It's kind of flickering because it is swinging a little bit, so it's flickering, but that is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. You can see the green and the blue and the clear. So I'm going to turn the flash off now and show you what it looks like. And this is what it looks like in the dark. That is so gorgeous. So, oh my goodness, I cannot wait to put these into the backyard. I'm on the front now just to give you a look at what it'll look like in the dark, but can't wait to go in the backyard and put these all around the backyard, and they're going to be so pretty at nighttime. All right, guys, be blessed. See you guys next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye.